So let's talk about Shiba Inu and its price and price function, price scenarios, and kind of take a real quick look at where I believe SHIB will go and look at the overall market and kind of see where we're at. Okay. As always, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes of your day. And thank you again for stopping by. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button, like button if you would. And let's get into this. So right here, right now, SHIB is trading up 1.29%. It's at that 1074 range. It's trading in that tight range between kind of that 100 range and at the peak in the last 3 or 4 weeks at a kind of a 1.4 range. Okay, so this obviously is a massive period of consolidation. And if you look at it, it's right here in the chart. We had the major fallout, blowout in the crypto market happen here back early in May. And then after that, it is simply consolidated. You can see it for the rest of May and now into June, consolidating, waiting, if you will, for the overall broad market rally. Okay, so let's look at kind of what was going on there. Again, remember, we used to be at a $2 trillion market cap. Now we're at a 1.24. We've given up $800 billion or more in market cap. Again, we'll come back. I'm not worried about it. It's one of those things. Traditionally, June and July in crypto are pretty slow months, and kind of like I think of it as consolidation months, right? You know, you're going to go up 3 or 4%. You might go down 1 or 2%, but at the end of the day, the net effect is a kind of a sideways consolidation factor. Okay, so from a pricing standpoint and kind of a price prediction scenario for SHIB, you can see we're still at the 16th. We're still ranked 16th out of 9. Look at this, at a 19,781, where my cursor is. Crazy how many cryptos there are out there. Okay, and Shiba Inu being a top 16. Okay, so we need to look again. We need to look at market cap is really $5.9 billion. Again, SHIB's going to move with the overall broader market rally. SHIB and crypto right here, right now, are really beat down for a couple of really main reasons: fear of recession, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You know, kind of the fear and greed index is moving up slowly. It was a 13 2 days ago. It's a 15 yesterday. It's a 17 today. So we're slowly inching our way out of the extreme fear market kind of scenario there. Now, keep your eye on this. Again, fear and greed is what I use to measure kind of social sentiment. I don't think of it as fear and greed. I think of it as fear and confidence. That's really how I think of it. But again, it is having an impact, because here's what's happening, guys. If you take a look at kind of human nature, right? If there's a bunch of bad news out there, which frankly, right here, right now, there is. In fact, I haven't even done that. Let me look real quickly at like what's going on in the stock market. Yeah, because see, look, the Dow's down 217, the Nasdaq's down 21. And you can look at, like right here, stocks fall as inflation concerns persist. So we've got this fear of inflation. We got this fear of recession, all of these things out. It costs you more to simply go to the grocery store. It costs you more to fuel up, put gas in your vehicle. All of that is causing a lowering of income to be able to invest in stocks, crypto, whatever it may be. So that's slowing that scenario. People's choice right now is to simply not make a choice, or their choice is to hold their dollars, because again, everything is just more expensive, and it's just continued litany of bad news out there in the marketplace. Okay, so bringing this back to Shiba Inu and kind of a price analysis, we've got this consolidation range. We talked about that in the last month, right? We've got that. We got that in effect. What we need to do is when the overall broader market continues to or wakes up or starts to move forward, SHIB will move along with it. We will retest at 1.4, and that kind of right now, again, we're at that 1.0. We retest at 1.4. Our next level past that is 1.7. And the next level past that is 2. I'll remind you that before we had all this happen with the overall market losing 800+ billion in market cap, we were consolidating at the 2s for months. Okay, so we know we can get back to that. That's a really strong level of support there. From a price prediction, I fully expect us to get back there when the overall market moves back in the right direction. We'll get back there. No worries. Nothing cataclysmic is happening with Shiba Inu. It's simply not happening. This is an overall broad market correction that we've had. So with that, that's all I've got for you. As always, I appreciate you. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button on your way out. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your day. I'll see you.